Follow the earlier unboxing video. Now the two batteries are put on the charger. It's in the progress of recharging. Now let's forgot to mention, yeah, when I bought this, placed this order, there was a free gift coming through with a 64GB micro SD card. It's made by Kingston. If I take it out, so yep, it's quite nice. 64GB. It says V10. I don't know. Not sure, but it looks like it should be a kind of high speed micro SD card. So yeah, it should be good for 4K video recording. Oops, is a V? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we need to open this and then peel off this, and then as the instruction says, hold up this, pull out this, and now there's another getting started guide here. So yeah, what's the size of this? I'm going to check the size of this. So I got a tape to measure, so it's about 6 centimeters to and slightly less, 2.5 feet, and this may be called width, and the height about 4 centimeters and 1.5 inch. Oh no, 1.5 feet, and then the thickness or maybe depth is about 2.4 centimeter if counted for the length. Counted for the length part, it's about nearly 3 centimeters, and there's some protector film will need to be peeled off. I will do that later, and then this should be peeled off as well. And how to open this? Okay, yeah, just slide this cover out, and then yep, this is where the battery should fit in. So I'm going to do later because the battery is still in charge. Is it still in charging? So then yeah, close it and set it aside and wait for the batteries are ready. Yeah, I'm going to put this micro SD card in. So you know, should looks like this way. Nope, not going in. So turn around. Okay, yep, easy to get in. Then there are two ports. This is a micro USB cable to connect. I'm not sure this port is a bit narrower. Not sure. Okay, we'll find out later. Oh, thank you for watching.